Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode on Insight with Dr. Phoze. Before I get started, I would love to say a very big thank you to everyone who subscribed to Trep Africa YouTube channel. This is Dr. Phoze. I'm a brand innovation expert, also the founder of Trep Africa. I love to define myself as a creative strategist, helping entrepreneurs, professionals, forward-thinking organizations to develop profitable brands through video production, brand innovation, and web design. Today, I'll be discussing what makes a logo a great one. So if you are thinking of branding or rebranding your business or personal brand, I think this video is going to be a good one for you. So let's get to it.
Trep Africa. Imagine more.
To understand what makes a logo a great one, we must first consider its purpose, that is, why logo in the first place, and what logo is. Logos are used to identify brands. If logos and branding doesn't exist, there will be no way to easily indicate who we are actually buying from. Businesses, brands, organizations need a way to easily differentiate their products and services from their competitors. So, logo is a flag, is a signature, or is a sign. A great logo essentially boils down to two things. 1. A great concept. 2. A great execution. When it comes to a great concept, every effective logo has a meaning behind it, communicating the intended message of the brand. Funny, most entrepreneurs don't understand the concept of their logo or its meaning. Most people have logos because everyone else has a logo. And I think that's a bad one though. I've had experience with some clients whereby they tell you, I like this logo, can you make something like that for me? They don't care about the concept or its meaning. Provided it's beautiful, they tell you, I like this logo, it's beautiful, take your money and give me my logo. Thank you. If you are an entrepreneur or professional and you fall into this category, I will advise you to communicate with your brand communication designer or logo creator to deliver to you a brand book that will actually enlighten you on your logo concept. It's very crucial to really understand your logo concept. Very, very important. And when it comes to a great execution, an effective logo is distinctive, appropriate, graphical, and most importantly, simple. You heard me right? Simple in form. Some of you might be wondering what is so difficult about creating a good logo. They are small and look easy to do, right? Talking from experience, when you see the results of a brand communication designer's effort, the logo creation process might look like a simple task, right? But it is not. Think about Nike swatch, McDonald's axe, Adidas 3 stripes, Trep Africa square T. They all look simple, right? But a great logo takes thought, creativity, and many elements combined together to make a good one. And I believe most brand communication designers and people with graphical ideas or knowledge will agree with me on this. So, how do you make a great logo for your business or personal brand? Here are the things you need to look out for. 1. It must be simple. Simple logos are the ones people can easily recognize when they see them. The simplest logos are the ones people can remember the most. 2. It must be scalable. A good logo should be simple enough to be scaled down or scaled up and still look good. 3. It must be memorable. A great logo should capture viewers' attention and leave an impression. A positive one though. The fourth one is, it must be versatile and appropriate. A good logo should be able to look good on mobile device or media print. The fifth one is, it must be relevant and meaningful. A good logo should have a great concept, that is, a meaning that relates to what the brand stands for. In conclusion, if you are looking to design a good logo, be sure to avoid these common logo mistakes. 1. The logo is too complicated. Effective logos are often very simple. If there's too much going on, it will be distracting. 2. The logo does not work in small sizes. Note, effective logos can be scaled up and down and still look good. The third common mistake to look out for is the logo does not work in black and white. The fourth one to look out for is the logo is not unique and meaningful. Remember, always avoid cliché or design that look too similar to other logos, especially your competitors. And most importantly, your logo must be meaningful. That is, have a great concept. The fifth common mistake to look out for is the logo is not memorable. A big part of logo's job is to create recognition. If the logo is not memorable, it's unlikely to be effective. Remember, keep it simple. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you are thinking of branding or rebranding your business or personal brand, let's connect. You can send me a DM at Trep Africa or at Dr. Phoze. Remember, you have nothing to lose, everything to gain. Don't forget to subscribe to Trep Africa YouTube channel and kindly like, comment your thoughts and share this video within the network of entrepreneurs. Share, share, share and share. Join me next week Friday on Trep Africa YouTube channel and IGTV as we continue another exciting episode on Insight with Dr. Phoze. Till then, keep trepping and imagine more.
Trep Africa. Imagine more.